Hi there, my name is Donny and I'm the founder of Entrepreneurs Without Borders, a non-profit foundation based in Sweden, and one of the projects that had the great fortune of being picked as a project for the International Business Development Program of Berkeley Haas Spring 2021. I just wanted to take this opportunity to express my extreme gratitude to not only the faculty and administration of Berkeley Haas for being accommodating and generous and helpful through the process, but most of all, of course, to the team that did excellent work. Very quickly got into our project, understood what we were about, what we wanted to try to achieve, which was understand how can we create a sustainable business model for ourselves. And through the process, virtual of course, all the way through, we had good weekly meetings. They did really good work and delivered a result that we continuously use today in our strategic work going forward. And hopefully, come 2021, you'll also be able to come visit us in Sweden, which was the plan for 2020. So a warm welcome to Sweden next year, 2021. But until then, thank you all again so very much for all the work you helped us with.
Dear team from Haas School of Business, my name is Dr. Adinan Kiti Ratana Phaibun, Hospital Director, Smithfield Sinapin Hospital. I would like to send our gratitude regards to executive from IBD, Mr. David, Executive Director, Mr. Daniel, Associate Director, and Judy, Marketing Lecturer, and also amazing team from IBD Student Project Thailand, led by Adolfo. For the past 3 months of hard working, even though we have to fight with the pandemic COVID-19 spread, but you also deliver the very fruitful and very informative that we can bring it to create our project completely. Congratulations once again for your accomplishment. I wish for the very good time for you, both the faculty and student, in IBD Annual Conference. Stay safe. Thank you.
Dear John, Louisa and team, I take this opportunity to thank all of you for your hard work, dedication and constructive collaboration during the recently concluded IBD project. Your professionalism, meticulous planning and execution reflects in the countless hours that you put into the project to ensure that it gets completed timely and smoothly, despite the global widespread of coronavirus and consequent cancellation of your India trip. We are extremely grateful for your valuable contribution. We have carefully analyzed your final report and acknowledge that your great work is bringing tangible value on the table for Duraline India. We look forward to collaborating with IBD team in future as well. Please stay safe and connected. Thanks.
Hi everyone, this is Enrique from RD Station. I'm talking from Brazil, and I'm here today to appreciate your effort, especially the group I worked with, led by Akshay, but also to congratulate you all for doing amazing jobs and projects across many companies and countries that have been working with you guys. I know this is a very challenging year, but I think that tough years make hard workers and resilient people, so that's what we need in the world. So I hope you guys are having a special time in your MBA, and I want you to know that this time it's a very special time for making a great student also. Bye bye.
Hi Julie, Gina, Luke, Shri and Caroline. First of all, I want to thank you for the wonderful work you have done with the Seva Partner Hospitals based in Siliguri, India. We are super thankful for the overall experiences and the learning curve that we have together in this wonderful time. And I am really happy to share with you that we have already started implementing your recommendations. Some of them already gone, being implemented, and rest of them in the process. And the big part is we have started sharing that one with the other hospitals as well. So you will hear more. We are going ahead with other hospitals and sharing your work with them so they can also get benefit out of it.
Thank you so much, you guys. It was great to work with you, and we're super excited to see where you go over the next few years.
Hi everyone! In a so atypical and challenging year as the one in 2020, going through the experience of the IBD program was an amazing experience as a professional and as a person, even in a remote way, unfortunately. The great ability to understand our history, our structure, and the challenge that we are facing, and use this as a basis for building a solid project that made all the difference. So team, thank you so much for your effort and the result.
So guys, so moving forward, I would like to say, as Glenn said, we are implementing all the projects regarding the recommendations you mentioned to us. It was awesome the way you worked with us, even remotely. I think you have done a very, very good job, and we would like to thank you guys, all the people involved in this project. Krutika, Dhruva, David, Chris, Zinat, and John. We'd like to emphasize and again to thank you guys for all the effort you have done. So we are eager to see you guys here in Brazil in order to check how the project is moving forward, and all the recommendations you mentioned to us, we are implemented at Softplan. And again, guys, thank you all.
Thank you.
Hi Megan, Jeffrey, Hashita, Maria, Jordan, and Whitney. A very good morning from BRF in Singapore. It was quite unfortunate that the travel situation didn't allow us to meet in Shanghai, but our offer still stands and we hope to make it happen in the near future. On behalf of the team here, we wanted to congratulate you again for making a fantastic impact to our China Growth Strategy project. The time zone between Berkeley and Shanghai is as wide as it gets. This health situation is unprecedented, but despite all of this, your team really rose above to deliver a very memorable stress test workshop for us. We are still using the key areas identified by your team as a checklist as we progress with the proposals to our company board. So a very big thank you again, and wishing you great success in everything ahead.
Hello Eddie and the team. How are you all doing? We'd like to thank you for your very impressive and suggestive report on the corona situation.
We have already explained your proposal to the Vice Governor of Naga Prefecture, who you guys interviewed. And now we are actually carrying out some proposals based on your recommendations. Thank you.
Through this project, we hope that you have an interest in Japan, and we are looking forward to having not only sushi, bento, but also delicious Japanese food when you come to Japan. We wish you all good luck and success in your future.
Thank you so much again, and see you soon.
Go Bears!
Hello and greetings from Finland. My name is Derek Saline. I work for Rightware, a software company headquartered here, working in the automotive space. We engaged with the IBD team in the graduating class of 2020 on a project really focused around pricing strategies and sort of business models as we look to the possibility of changing around our bundling, our pricing, and how we do our software licensing. The team did a lot of great work in the financial modeling, and also brought out sort of original thoughts that came from the industry stakeholder interviews, and even resulted in some proposals for potential product line expansion. So very positive experience overall, and would love to send my regards to Team Finland. Best of luck to you all, and I hope to see you around in the future.
Hi, I'm Richard Blossom, CEO and co-founder of Hill Tribe Organics. HTO created the market for organic free-range eggs in Thailand by giving small farmers 700 hens and the training and know-how to get organic certification. That model more than doubled their family income and also created a significant brand. But to add more farmers, we need to grow. So we reached out to IBD for help in creating a new market for organic bakery goods. The IBD team, despite the limitations of COVID, reached out to industry experts and Thai consumers and came up with insights and a recommendation that was simpler than our original concept, and at the same time led to lower costs and better margins. The team was professional, practical, timely, and well managed. Despite the limitations of COVID, I expect that next year consumers in Thailand will be enjoying our new Hill Tribe Organics organic egg tarts, and I hope that among those people will be the team from IBD.
Tēnā koutou, Berkeley Haas. I wanted to take this opportunity to send greetings and virtual beer hugs to the IBD community, and a huge amount of gratitude to our blind IBD band of brothers, Victor, Donald, Daniel, Max, Eduardo, and of course our faculty advisor, John. In this most unusual of years where we've had phrases like shelter in place, social distancing, and quarantine the border added to the American and Queen's English vernacular, I feel very fortunate for the opportunity that IBD has given me to reforge and celebrate my connection with Berkeley Haas. Team, I'm sorry that you didn't get to travel to the quote unquote best IBD destination on the planet, but please know that whenever we come through this pandemic and our borders are open again, that you have a Berkeley Haas brother here in New Zealand that will welcome you and that there is no expiry date on that offer. I'm eternally grateful for the contribution that you made to Blinders development. Ngā mihi nui, thank you very much. Go Bears, and noho ora mai. Stay well, take care, and goodbye for now.